everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be our Christmas Eve and morning. It's kind of like a routine, but it's pretty much just a vlog of our Christmas Eve and morning. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and I hope you enjoy. So we started out our Christmas Eve morning by preparing our vegetable soup for the day, and we just threw it all in the crock pot and let it cook all day while we were doing other things. Gracie, you're gonna get... And here we are getting ready to go to church. We go to church for Christmas Eve service every year, and it's so much fun. The kids actually get to go into big church with us, so they really enjoy it. Daddy's looking all spiffy.
There she is. I got your shoes.
Hey. Dress.
Ooh. Should have been a boomerang.
So this was the first time we did this at our service, but everyone lit a candle and they talked about how the love of Jesus spread through the world and how our love for Jesus is a light to the world. It was just so cool to see it start from the bottom and slowly, completely like light up the entire room. Then right after we got home from church, we started our cookie decorating, and they decided to do gingerbread men this year, and we also made some chocolate chip cookies in the oven while they were doing this.
Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased.
Also, while we were doing the cookies and everything, I decided to go ahead and put together our breakfast casserole so we could just pop it in the oven in the morning.
Letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you.
Oh, you hear the angels? Whew! Monsters. Making tomato grilled cheese sandwiches. We got a lot of things going on. Gingerbread houses and cookies going up. Is your head spinning yet?
Grilled cheese. For dinner, we had our vegetable soup and some grilled cheese sandwiches with it.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights, so you should come back home to me. And when we wake up,
Caycen decided to eat the gingerbread man, and you have chocolate chip cookie.
From just a split.
Every Christmas Eve, we always open one gift.
baby.
Oh, what did you get?
Pajamas?
New jam jams?
I don't like yours.
Oh, look.
I
Look, we got matching jammies, Gracie.
Oh my goodness.
Which ones do we want to wear? The Grinch or the Santa one? What's your vote?
I'm opening both.
Let's try together.
I want to wear the Grinch.
Okay, look, you can peel it off the top. Look.
Which one do y'all want to wear?
They said Grinch.
The Grinch one? Yeah, yeah.
put out some reindeer food for Santa's reindeer.
Rip that off.
The reindeer food.
You gonna put it in some on the sidewalk or on the grass? Where are you gonna put it? Blow it up good so we know where to find it. There's a lot of them, so y'all better make a big pile.
Then the last thing that we do is put out our cookies and milk for Santa before heading upstairs.
The present that you
Aww, you're so sweet. What about you, buddy? She said, I like the present that you got me. Caycen, you like yours?
Santa has no milk.
Daddy's getting it. What are you most excited about?
Santa's coming tonight.
Aww. Are you excited too? Aw, it'll be Jesus' birthday. Whoa, calm down.
That's my dad thinking.
Are you is Santa gonna fill your stocking?
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
Paper and pretending they would live. Wrap 'em up with ties and bows. Whatever's in them, no one knows. Oh, can I please, please?
And then we will do our Christmas devotional that we do every night for the 24 days before Christmas. And this is our Christmas tree with all the ornaments that we've used for each night of our devotional.
That Christmas peace, when heart and soul were both at ease.
All right, we're on day 24. Sit down.
We all need more.
And then it's time for bed. Night.
Go to that door now. Go to that door. Oh.
Tell Caycen good night. Oh, you made up your bed, didn't you? All right, pull your stuff off. Go get in the bed. Time to go. Oh, your bow. Get in.
I was on the beach.
All right, say good night, everyone.
Good night, everyone.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
And now we're all ready for Christmas morning. All right, it's Christmas morning. And the kids came straight to our room and we changed into our other pajamas. Mine says Santa Baby. Caycen says, Dear Santa, I'll be good tomorrow. And Gracie June says, Dear Santa, I really did try. Were you bad? All right, so we're going to go out in the living room and see. All right, go ahead.
Yay!
Did Santa come? Holy smokes.
Be careful, Caycen.
I mean,
Oh my goodness.
What did he think? What is all over there?
holy moly. Don't forget to hug us tonight.
Oh, so the elves stayed another day so y'all could hug them?
Santa eat his cookies?
Yes, he did.
Oh, look.
And I jumped on my milk.
Oh my goodness.
He
What
didn't
is, what's that thing?
that a hockey table?
An air hockey table?
Yes.
Gracie, an air hockey table?
And it's fire versus ice, so it's fire versus ice, so they're like different colors.
Why don't you
Holy moly.
start dating there?
Yeah!
Oh, let's see. What's that?
Go look at this. These kinds. Is that? I never had. Ooh.
LOL dolls? Santa brought you what you wanted.
Yeah. Oh, I know what this is. Now I can do a show. I know what this is.
Whoa.
Oh, you
I got a Pixie pocket. I got a Pixie pocket.
What?
A Polly Pocket. Oh, can I have this? This is what I had when I was little. I'm so excited. I want one. Can I have yours?
We can both share.
Aw, you're so sweet.
I got a scratch off.
What's that? A little sister surprise?
Yes, I found the
Oh
code.
my goodness, oh my goodness.
Daddy. And this, I can hold my bullets with this.
The vest?
Yeah, it's like a vest that you can hold your bullets
Oh my
with.
goodness.
See? These little bullets.
Sweet, buddy.
You're the cutest.
You got a whole.
Daddy, is this the gun I saw at the place?
That's the one that you took a picture of at Walmart.
Yeah.
Holy
Oh my
smokes.
goodness.
Is that glow in the dark?
No, this is different. See, it looks different than this.
I don't know. Maybe we can look at the picture and see.
Does it glow or something?
This is like the upgrade of this.
Oh my goodness. So you got the better one?
Yeah.
Oh man.
Gracie June, what do you think? What would you tell Santa?
Thank you.
Gracie June, I meant Caycen. What do you think?
Awesome.
What would you tell Santa?
Thank you for all these presents. I love them. I want you to do the same thing next year.
After we've opened all the presents from Santa, then we will start our breakfast casserole and the kids will just play for just a little bit before we open our stockings.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe.
And now it is stocking time.
And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way. But as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first.
You are with your unicorn horn. Look at mommy. Hey, unicorn. Look at me. Can I see your face? Pretty girl. And now that our breakfast casserole is done, we will go ahead and eat breakfast. And I did do a video on this recipe, so I'll link it here. And you can check out this amazing breakfast casserole that would be perfect for any family gathering or, like I said, Christmas morning.
Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I had ever been.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. I like toys.
Yummy.
I got LL for my collection.
Wow. That's a big bite.
Merry Christmas.
Two toys.
Make him get up and come here. Come here.
Two toys?
What'd you get for Christmas, buddy?
Oh, the
Chance, Really?
Oh man, I'm gonna not let him.
Oh my goodness. And then we gave Cooper his Christmas stocking. Oh my goodness.
Merry Christmas.
Now look at all this mess.
No, we still got more mess to make.
Oh, yeah.
We gotta open our presents from under the tree.
Yay!
Oh my god.
Do it!
Okay, hold on. Let's make some room. And then the last thing that we did was open gifts from each other. Yeah, hold on. Let's look at what Caycen got real quick.
What's it say? What's the letters? NF, dude, you got an NF sweatshirt.
Did you get an NF sweatshirt?
Dude, are you pumped or what, man?
Oh my.
You got me that.
We
We
did.
got that for you.
Do you like it?
What is this? Yay!
Yeah, those gifts are from us.
It's a zip up.
Thank you, Daddy and Mom.
You're welcome. I didn't know Santa was gonna bring you a karaoke machine. So I got you that one because I know you love to sing and I know Caycen loves to dance. And then, I don't know about you, but I thought you wanted to be like a rapper when you grow up.
Oh, dude,
And then Gracie June wants to be a vet. Look at you. That is awesome.
Dude, it looks
Do you
so
like
good.
Thank you.
Bless you.
NF real music. Oh my gosh, Gracie, it's a white box. It's what I've always wanted. Oh, yeah. Somebody was listening. Dude, these are like real too.
That's probably like the only like surprise that you have.
Yes. Oh, I love these. Ooh, look at that. It looks-
Bow. Take a bow. Woohoo!
Don't talk down to me, that's not gonna work now. Packed all my clothes and I moved out. I didn't wanna go to your house. Every time I sit on that couch, I feel like you like to me. Eventually, I bet that we could've made this work and probably would've figured things out. But I guess I'm left now, but it's cool, we checked out. Hey, you wanna be friends now? Okay, let's put my fake face on for now. Stay around and talk about the good times that even happened. I mean, why are you laughing? What's the mistake? Let me see if I can find a reaction. No, but at least you're happy. It's like, oh, yeah.